Setting up for driving. Third pole of the day. Out here with the Eco Piles in Apollo Beach, Florida. This entire 300-foot dock, boathouse roof and all, will be all in the new Eco Piles. This Collins driving apparatus is taking them home. Pretty simple and easy. They check for level and plumb, just to make sure everything's right before we take it too far. You ready to hit it again? There it goes. That's 1 foot. 2 foot. 3 foot. 4 foot. 5 foot. Probably got an overall of 11 feet of penetration right now. Looks like we can probably get another couple, so it'll probably be somewhere between 11 and 13 feet of penetration total on each pile. There goes another foot. There goes another foot.